Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Since it's fall now and the temperatures are cooling off, I wanted to start getting some things out for fall, and I started over here on the east side of my house where there's pretty much nothing except the crepe myrtle tree. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around and show you what I used. So this area is going to have a lot of changes to it over the next year. However, it's not a priority right now. So I kind of wanted to decorate this area up instead of just having the crepe myrtle tree and then a bunch of dirt underneath it. So I had a square bale of hay, and I was just going to put that out and set some things on top of it. Then I thought it may look good to kind of shred it up and scatter it around so we can't see a bunch of dirt around. So I'm really happy with my decision to go ahead and shred this up because I think it makes it look a whole lot better over here. And then I saw online that someone turned a pumpkin into a planter, so I kind of wanted to try that out as well. I just recently bought this new red mum, so this one's new. And then I have this mum over here in this container. I planted this one up 2 years ago, I believe. So that one's still doing good. And then the rest of this stuff is just decorative stuff. The sign that I have here, and then the pumpkins that I have in this cart, I got from Kirkland's, I believe last year. I'm not sure if they have these currently, but I'll put a link down in the description below to their website if you want to check that out. And then I decided to get a few lights just to light this area up on the crepe myrtle tree. I didn't want anything too extravagant over here. I just wanted something simple over here in this area. Now with the lights, I made sure to get outdoor lights, and I did not put the plug down on the ground. I have it up in the tree a little bit. That way I don't have to worry about the hay catching on fire or anything like that. So this was kind of the perfect project to do today. The wind has been blowing like crazy all day today, and I just needed a project where I could just set the camera up and I didn't have to have a bunch of audio. So that's why I haven't done a whole lot of talking in this. The wind is dying down a little bit now that it's getting dark out. So I thought I'd better hurry up and get on here so I can talk to you all a little bit. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.